Welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a shape of your photo or your photo shape. That's the same thing in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's choose a photo. Let's choose this one. And let's say I want to change the shape of this photo. Okay, in order to do that, you have to go to the same section. The same bar. There's a option that says elements. Let's go in there and let's type in frame. And here you can see different option of frames. Let's tap and see all. So let's say I want to change it into more like star shape. You can simply put it here and tap the photo, drag it and put it over here. That's it. Or let's say you want to change it into different shape, right? You can simply choose another frame. Let's say this one. This procedure is same. Simply drag the photo and put it over here. And ta-da! This is how you change shape of your photo. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Editing 24/7, and see you in the next video.